Hi everyone, welcome to TechIsRate Academy. Today we are going to be talking about React Form Submit. So you can control the submit action by adding an event handler in the onSubmit attribute for the form. We have an example, add a submit button and an event handler in the onSubmit attribute. So let's go. We'll create a function. We'll say function next form. And inside this next one, we'll have const array set state, but inside it, we are not going to have a value. We just have an empty string. Then after that, we will say function undo change, because we set name to event.target.value. Then after that, we'll say function undo submit equals to event.target.value. Then we will now say, in this place, we'll say function undo submit equals to prevent default, but in this place, we'll say alert name. Then after that, we'll come here, we'll say return. Inside this return, we'll say form. Inside form, we'll say label. Inside label, we'll say name. So inside the name, we'll have an input type text dot undo submit. Very good. Then after that, we'll say we can have button type submit. And let's go. Now let's import we are having it in the wrong place. Now let's import our value. What did we name it? We name it next. What did you name it? Next form. Now let's import it. What did we name it? We named it next form. And let's come to our app.js. Bring it here. Next form. Then we'll come up here. Next form. Now let's check our results. We have another name here. Can you see? Which is the submit handler is one that it's working. Let's say James Gabriel. Let's submit it. Can you see what we have here? So we also have another example which we can make use of, which is React Forms text area. It says the text area element in React is slightly different from ordinary HTML. In HTML, the value of a text area is the text between the start tag and the end tag. This is example of, but in React, value of a text area is placed in the value attribute, just like the input element. We'll use this use state hook. Now let's make an example. In this example, we can actually say, or instead of creating a new one, let me just comment out this one. Then we'll say function next form then equals to const my text, and we'll say set my text equals to use state. Yes, then after that, we will say function undo change. We have E. After the E, we'll say set my text brackets E dot. The E stands for event dot target dot value. Don't mix it up. Anytime you see this E, it's always event. Do you understand? So now we use our return value. Return we'll say form we'll remove this. Then inside the form, we'll say label. Inside this label, we'll say right here. Okay. And after the right here, we'd have a text area. You know it's text area we want to do. So after here, we would have a text area. Text area is not always having. Then inside this text area, we put value equals to my text, and then on change, which will be undo change. Very correct. Then after that, then after this label, we'll say p tag, which says current, as usual, current value is my text. Now our next form has been exported. So now let's finally check our result. Can you see we have it here, right here? You can write this is React class, basically React form. I hope you understand everything I've taught in this video. If you have any problem, please type it in the comment section and I will solve it for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please follow us across all socials at Techisrael Academy. See you next time. Bye.